how to cancel your Finelo AI subscription. So, if you're looking to end your subscription, simply deleting the app will not stop the charges. Depending on how you signed up, follow my steps that I will show you to ensure your auto renewal is turned off. Right then, and the first method is native, which is canceling via the app. So open the Finelo app, tap on your profile icon, and then the settings icon right here, and then manage subscription, or also a subscription just in one word. Tap on that and select cancel subscription, and then just follow the confirmation prompts until you receive a cancelled notification. And the second method is canceling via Apple, so on your iPhone, on iOS. So you just open up your settings, then you go to your name, just tap on your name or Apple ID at the very top, then tap subscriptions as shown on this screenshot, and find Finelo in the list, and then just tap it. And then just tap cancel subscription. Also on Google Play, it's also simple. You just open up your Google Play Store app, go to profile, tap payments and subscriptions, and then find Finelo and cancel it there. And also, before I finish, don't forget that you have to avoid being charged for the next period. And to do that, cancel at least 24 hours before your trial or current billing cycle ends. That's it. Enjoy the guide, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks a lot, guys.